In this video, we will show you how to replace your front door window sweep. On this Chevy Tahoe, you'll have one of these located on each of your front doors. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing that I want to mention is you want to have the window all the way down. Once you've done that, make your way inside. Remove this trim panel using a plastic trim tool. Give it a quick inspection, set it aside. Behind that, you'll find that you have a foam insert. Remove it. Inside of this area, you'll find that you have three 10mm headed bolts. We're going to fully remove the lower two and loosen the top one, leaving it on just a couple threads. Now with that mounting nut still left in place, we'll continue on down by where the wiring is. You'll find that you have three locking tabs. Go ahead and press each one of these towards the center to release the mirror. Along the outside, we can lift up on the mirror and continue on with the window sweep removal tool. We'll slide this right underneath this area, being careful not to damage the paint on our vehicle. And lift this up and out of place. And there it is, friends. All right, let's prepare to install our brand new front window sweep. Looking along the back side, you have a small tab that protrudes out a little bit. That will slide into this corner. Let's take this and start putting it into position. Now we're going to start bringing it down along the front as well. While we're doing this, we're going to pull the mirror away and slide this in between the door and the mirror. Now, once you feel as though you have it down, just go ahead and give it a couple taps, pressing it all the way to the lock position. Double check to make sure it's completely secure. Make your way back inside the passenger compartment to reattach the mirror. Let's reach through here, slide this mirror into place, aligning all three of our locking tabs. Once you're sure all three of those are locked in, we'll continue on with our two mounting nuts. Start each of those on there. Once they're both started, we'll snug all three of the mounting nuts. You want to make sure these are nice and tight so your mirror does not vibrate on you while you're driving down the road. Continue on to the mirror insulator. We'll make sure that we put the wiring through the slot. Push that right in there so it's nice and neat. Now it's time for our trim panel. We have this small ear. That's going to go behind this area. Align your locking tabs and press it into the locked position. Okay friends, we fully installed our front door window sweep. The process will be the same for either side of the vehicle. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.